Hello folks, this is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily fundamental video analysis. Today is the most important day because the Federal Reserve Committee is going to come out with its monetary policy decision. Markets are largely anticipating that the Federal Reserve is going to keep its dovish note. Now, if the minutes and if the meeting finishes on the dovish note, then it is great. The stock market is likely to rally, and of course there will be an influence in the commodity space as well, with the like of gold, which by the way made another record high yesterday, as you can see in the chart. Now, with respect to the Federal Reserve Committee, if the Fed fails to convince the market that there isn't insufficient support by the Federal Reserve, then expect the Dow Jones Index to fall below its 50-week moving average, as you can see in the chart. This will be a very significant signal for the stock market because the Dow Jones Index has been the weakest link among the other three different indices. And I'm speaking of S&P and of course the Nasdaq as well. Speaking of Nasdaq on a daily time frame is quite close to its 50-day moving average as well. Something again investors are paying close attention as this week unfolds, and especially the fact that Apple is going to announce its earnings. Now, Apple makes a significant part of that, and a lot of rally, the coronavirus stock market rally, has been led primarily by only 5 stocks, which is like, of course, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and a few other within that, and Tesla. But if Apple fails to impress the market, the chances aren't likely that it will, but if it does, then that means more weakness for the Nasdaq index in the coming days, and that could really have a detrimental impact on the overall sentiment of the market, because so far the market has been of this mind frame that look, tech stocks are leading the rally. Tech sector without a doubt had a lot of tailwind behind it, but if that tailwind starts to stop, then the entire coronavirus stock market can really, it can struggle from it. But those struggles can get some help from the ongoing stimulus conversation which is taking place in Washington. Remember, Republicans, Democrats, and Donald Trump, they are all working to get another stimulus package out, which can really help to redevelop, reshape the US economy, and it really help the economy to re-emerge from this coronavirus crisis. So any pullback for the stock market that can potentially happen on the back of the FOMC meeting could be an opportunity for investors to get back in. That's all for today. See you guys next time.